Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. This is how to undo end-to-end encryption Facebook Messenger. So guys, if you ever wondered on how to undo if you ever turn on your end-to-end encryption, first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application to your device. So guys, from here on your Messenger, you could just simply go ahead and go to the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply go for the settings at the top. Now, guys, over here, you should be able to see privacy and safety. So go ahead and select that, and you will have an option over here, end-to-end encrypted chats. So guys, here on this tab, you should be able to change some settings about your end-to-end encryption. Now, to turn this off, you can just simply go for the message storage. And as you can see down below, you will have an option, turn off secure storage, and you will have this pop up that the secure storage will be turned off on all devices, and any new end-to-end encrypted messages will be stored on this device only. So tap on turn off, and from here, you should be able to undo it, and you could also delete the secure storage if that's what you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.